Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Rick, and if you want to learn how to repair the deadbolt lock on your Airstream, then stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So on today's video I'm going to show you how to repair the deadbolt on your Airstream. So recently, when I was doing some maintenance on my Airstream, I accidentally damaged the deadbolt when I tried to close the door with the deadbolt extended. As a result, I ended up bending the carriage that the deadbolt slides in, and so now I can't close and lock my door properly. So with about 30 minutes of time, a few tools, I'll show you how to step-by-step disassemble, repair, and reinstall the deadbolt on your Airstream. So to get started, you're going to need a few tools. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to need a drill. You're going to need a drill bit, a rivet gun, some aluminum rivets, some lithium grease, and a small hammer to do some of these repairs. Once you get all that assembled, we'll get right after it and start this repair in just a moment. First, you're going to remove the screws and interior hardware and pull out the outside lock mechanism just as you would a home door lock. Next, you're going to use a drill and drill bit to remove the pop rivets holding the deadbolt carriage to the door frame. Step 3 is to pry off the rivets and making sure not to damage the door frame. Now gently pull out the deadbolt and carriage from the door frame. You will note that the carriage is bent and the tabs have pulled away from the deadbolt. Using a hammer, gently straighten the deadbolt carriage cover and lightly tap the tabs back into place. In step 6, you'll want to apply a light coat of lithium grease to the deadbolt to ensure smooth operation. Now carefully slide the deadbolt carriage back into the door frame and reattach using wide head rivets from Airstream. During step 7, you may find that the top rivet may require a little finesse to get into place behind the interior door skin. The final step is then to reattach the lock mechanism on the outside and inside of the door, and you are complete. So there you have it, guys. 30 minutes and 8 simple steps to repair the deadbolt on your Airstream. Hopefully this is a beneficial video for you, and if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comments down below, and we'll see you down the road. So thanks for watching. Test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right. How do you operate this thing? There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rick, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how to repair this Airstream deadbolt lock. It's a really nice lock, but I forgot what my line was next, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do something to this here lock. I don't remember what it is, but all right, take 2. All right guys, so there you, all right, take 2.